Should we do that again?
Yeah, let's do it
You
again.
forgot yourself.
Yes, yes, yes. What's good? What's good? I'm King John.
And I'm Vicky from Vicky's Fragrance Guide.
And today you're watching Sip and Sniff.
Episode 3.
I think.
You're losing track.
So on today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a birthday gift of mine from the house of Arabian Oud. And that fragrance is called Taraf. So we're going to be unboxing this.
That's a big old box.
Yeah. Unboxing this and doing some sniffy.
Would you like me to do it?
Yes, please, if you don't mind.
It's heavy too.
Well, we've smelt this briefly in store, but you know how it is when you've smelt like countless fragrances and then you encounter that one fragrance that catches your attention, but you're not 100% sure because your nose is tired at that point. But I was impressed by what I smelled, and I tried it. When I tried it on skin. So I decided to, gift myself a birthday present, a little treat. And yeah, so here we are.
So it's got a envelope sleevey thing. It's heavy. It's like a plasticky box. And we open it. Oh, it's magnetic.
Ooh, fancy.
And that's the lid coming.
So that's what it looks like. All right, this is the stand. Okay, there you go. I don't want to damage it. So that there is where the bottle sits in. Sits into the stand like this. And I guess, sits on your display.
So how much did you buy this for? Would you like to reveal your sources?
See, I didn't get this at retail price,
okay.
but this retails for about $230, $250, I believe the guy told us in store. $235, I think he said, but he was going to give us a discount if we bought other fragrances. But you know me, I went shopping around, I found it for way cheaper.
Gotta save those coins.
Definitely. Never pay retail if you can avoid it. But yeah, that's what the bottle looks like. It's a nice looking bottle. What do you think?
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Yeah. Shall we give it a sniffy?
Yes.
Cool.
Like looking at it on face value, you would assume it's a feminine or marketed for women. Do you know if it's a parfum or whatever? Femme or femme?
I assumed it was unisex. The one or two reviews I saw online after we smelt it said it was unisex. And from what I smelled off skin as well when we tried it, it gave me unisex vibes.
That's good.
Leaning femme, of course.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. Just by looks, so you would assume that's a
because of this red.
styling.
It's a ruby red.
Ruby red, yeah.
Alright, let's get something on the tester strip here for you. Yeah, it's legit. This is legit. There's always that worry in the back of your mind.
You get a dud.
Exactly. This is what I remember smelling. Very sweet.
Yeah, sweet, fruity.
There's some familiar notes in there though.
Yeah. It's also kind of fresh at the same time.
Yes.
Were you picking up anything specific? It's like it almost wants to be cherry, but it's not quite that, I don't know, tartness.
It's like a raspberry maybe.
Yeah, there's definitely a red.
It's a berry. There's a berry note.
Yeah.
In the opening. It's not strawberry, but yeah, it's a berry note.
So, okay, going off of first impressions, where do you see yourself wearing this? What's the weather?
So I would say spring, early summer. So I don't think this is for the high heat because it's quite sweet. It's very sweet, but not in a sickly way. You could wear this summer nights on that cool summer evening.
Yeah, with that freshness.
With the freshness and that sweetness. Just there's a note in here. I don't know if it's a pineapple note. Oh, I know what this reminds me of. Afnan. what's that Afnan? You know, the one with the speckles on the bottle, the grey bottle.
Supremacy.
No, collector's edition. Afnan Supremacy collector's edition. There's a note in here.
It does have a little vibe there.
Yes, there's a note in there.
Yeah, it kind of making it lean a little bit masculine. But just a tad though.
So it's like they took out the mandarin and the citrus notes from Afnan, because you know Afnan has those citrus notes that they've tried to work in a way to make it smell like pineapple, but it's not fully locked in. So you take the citrus notes out and you add berries.
Yeah.
That's what I'm getting so far off the tester strip, and that's what I was getting on skin initially.
So I found the notes on the original supplier.
Yep.
So top is marjoram. So it's an earthy green herbal kind of herb there. Then bergamot, Italian bergamot for that citrus. Mids, it's Bulgarian rose and rosemary. So that's what I'm getting, like that kind of minty freshness vibe going on.
So no berries?
No, not at all. Base is leather, cedar, amber. That's it.
Wow.
Yeah. It's not very ambery to me though.
Not at all.
It's not very leathery either. Like a bit of maybe like a smokiness to it.
Yeah. That's that smokiness. It's not smokiness. There's the earthiness maybe that sort of reminds me of Afnan. It's not the same, but it just reminds me of it, I think.
This is really nice.
I think it's nice. I think it's perfectly unisex. What do you think?
I think it's unisex. Yeah.
I'm just still shocked there's no berries in the top note.
It's the packaging. I think it's the red that makes us think
just
of
puts the
berries. Yeah.
So that mandarin, it said mandarin orange or
bergamot.
Bergamot, sorry. That bergamot is that. It's probably the bergamot and the rose that's giving it that sweetness. Because you know sometimes rose, they can use the rose in a way where it comes across a little bit jammy, or they can use it to come across fruity, almost like citrusy in a way. But here I think
this isn't very. It's not like candy.
No.
Candy girl.
No.
Type of a fragrance.
Not at all.
It's just the right balance. The blend is really nice. So you've got that freshness. You've got a little bit of sweetness. It's not too tart. So yeah, men will definitely be able to wear this. It's not.
Yeah.
You know, you're not a walking stick of bubblegum.
No, not at all. It's not that deep, but it is still sweet though. And there's still some men who don't really like sweet fragrances.
But where that, like you said, that essence of like that mintiness, that freshness,
and that
reminds
earthiness.
you of that earthiness that reminds you of supremacy, is there like towards on the dry down. It gives a slightly bit more masculine vibe.
Yeah, it does. It does have some belly to it. It's got that grit, a little bit of grit to it, tiny bit, just to balance it out. I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
I am too.
I think it's
out of 10 on first impressions. What are you giving it?
First impressions, I'll give it a 7 for now.
Okay.
What do you think?
This is nice. Initially, I'd give it an 8.
Really?
Yeah.
You're being generous today.
I'll give it an 8. I'd want to, like you said, test it, see how it performs on skin. Chemistry, but
I heard this was a good performer, like it was a beast mode fragrance, but we'll see. So if this turns out to be a beast mode fragrance, it would be a 10 out of 10 then, right?
Maybe.
Would that give it the extra 2 points?
Maybe. We won't know until we test it out. It's also giving me like
I'm gonna try on skin again.
Like a boiled sweet, like a hard candy type vibe.
Really?
Like a specific one that I remember from like obviously back in the day.
See, I told you it transitions a little in a subtle way. Ooh, I like the way the cap clicks on as well. I don't know if
magnetic.
It's not magnetic, but it has this snug, firm clip. Snap. Yeah, snap. Sorry, not clip. Snap. Look.
Okay,
it's quality.
Let's not break the bottle.
Arabian Oud, man. I'm definitely gonna look more into this house. There's another one that I'm after. In fact, that's the one I actually went in there to smell, but they didn't have. I think they ran out.
Yeah.
they had the tester bottle,
Unavailable.
but it was pretty much empty.
Yeah.
Is what's it called again? Sultani. Sultani. That's the one I'm after.
Clear bottle.
The clear bottle. I've smelt that before. I just wanted to get a reminder before pulling the trigger. But yeah, I'm gonna be hunting that one down as well. I'll see how this performs.
Yeah.
If I'm impressed, then yeah.
Go back for another one. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, yeah. So would you say good pickup, right?
Good pickup.
So far.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Cool. Well,
that's it for
that's
today,
it
guys.
for today. It was a short one.
Just a little quick thing. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm Vicky from Vicky's Fragrance Guide.
And I'm King John.
And we'll see you soon. Take care.
Peace.